My name's Sheena Payton. I went to school at Dominican University of California. I passed the NCLEX in 100 questions on my first try.
Hey nursing students, you can become the next success story. I'm Allie with Crushnclex Review. Are you struggling to study for the NCLEX? We have the right solution for you. Let me show you our NCLEX QBank. Quiz yourself whenever and wherever you have time. With 2,200 NCLEX RN and 1,100 NCLEX PN practice questions, you will get every question format on the real exam with detailed explanations for each answer. QBank interface looks exactly like the actual NCLEX, so there will not be any surprises for you on the test day. QBank lets you create custom quizzes and integrated NCLEX block questions based on specific subjects. Time yourself and get performance reports on how you did. Learn from over 100 NCLEX prep videos. Crushnclex Reviews has helped thousands of students pass their NCLEX in 75 questions with a 99% pass rate. So what are you waiting for? Start practicing questions for free and download our 30-day free NCLEX study guide. Click here to get started now.